Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Well, here we go again. More rabid rumors flying around on the internet as usual. More YouTubers putting videos out there when they don't do any research on their own. It's just their brother's cousin's boyfriend told them this, so they're going to do a video on it. It's not the way I roll. Here's the rumor. WD-40 is going to be banned in Canada as of January 1st, 2024. Bullshit. It has to do with the VOCs in it. VOC stands for volatile organic compound. I'm not a chemist. I don't know why VOCs are bad for the environment, but apparently they are. So I did some research. I went back to Environment Canada and I went back to another legislation kind of website where it's just pages and pages of illegal mumbo jumbo. The reason that I'm bringing this up actually is because if Canada does this, the United States is not far behind, especially California. It took me 5 minutes of research to actually get to WD-40, and they have an official statement on their website. If you don't believe what I'm about to read you right now, then I have a link underneath this video in the description and in the pinned comment where you can click on this yourself and get back to there. It's straight from WD40.ca, WD-40 Canada. Here's what they say. This is a statement from WD-40 company in response to WD-40 multi-use product ban. It has recently come to our attention that false information is circulating online that WD-40 brand products are being banned in Canada. This is not a true statement. Although there are currently regulatory changes taking place in Canada, we have been aware of these regulatory changes and have been preparing for them for some time. All WD-40 company products will be compliant with the new regulations as of January 1st, 2024. Our products will remain on Canadian shelves and continue to solve problems in workshops, factories, and homes. There you go. That is right from the horse's mouth. And I hope that gives some of you a little bit of peace of mind, because I know it gives me peace of mind, because so many of us out there, especially small engine mechanics, use this stuff all the time. We like it. We want it to stay around. So I'm very happy to hear this. And I guess there is that old cliche too, that time will tell. Come January 1st, it's only 3 months from when I'm doing this video. We'll see what happens. I certainly hope that their statement is true, but we will see, won't we? Well, that's all I got to say about that. Steve out.